Today we will start Connie's method. Connie's method for beams. Okay. If you take some spans like this, some continuation like this. Let us assume this is A, B, and span L. And assume something like this, the deflection curve. Something like this, okay? Because of loading. Assume here rotations are theta A, theta B. You know the relation MAB equal to MFAB plus (4A by L) into theta A plus 2A by L into theta B. And similarly, MBA equal to MFBA plus 4A by L into theta B plus 2A by L into theta A. You know these relations, okay? Moment slope relations we know. This we can write like this. MAB equal to MFAB plus 2 times of M dash AB plus M dash BA and MBA equal to MFBA plus 2 times of M dash BA plus M dash AB, where M dash AB equal to 2A by L into theta A and M dash BA equal to 2A by L into theta B. Okay. Just the 4A by L we are splitting into 2 into 2A by L into theta A. That means the 2A by L into theta A is represented by M dash AB. 2A by L into theta B is represented by M dash BA. This M dash AB and M dash BA, these are called rotation contributions. Rotation contribution, okay? Contributions, okay? Rotation contributions. Now at any joint, see generally some of the moments must be, clockwise, anti-clockwise must be 0. Net moment must be 0. That means sigma, suppose MAB. That means at A joint, sigma, that means sum of the moments, that is equal to sigma of MFAB. MFAB means at that joint fixed moments. At the joint A, fixed moments. Plus similarly 2 times of sigma of M dash AB. See, sigma means here sum of the near end rotation contributions. See, M dash AB is called near end rotation contribution. M dash BA is called far end rotation contribution. So this one is near end. M dash AB is near, M dash BA is far end. Okay. So 2 times of sigma M dash AB. That means 2 times of sum of near end contributions plus sigma of far end contributions. So how many for a joint? Suppose A joint B is far end, and suppose this if this is C, then C also far end. Like that, sum of the far end contributions. So must be equal to 0. Sigma MAB means just we are sigma summation. Okay, we are doing summation here. You know MAB equal to MFAB plus 2 times of M dash AB plus M dash BA. Just we are putting sigma here, sigma sign. The sigma of MAB equal to sigma of MFAB plus 2 times of sigma M dash AB plus sigma M dash BA equal to 0. Now, what from this equation, sigma of M dash AB equal to minus half into minus half into sigma of MFAB plus sigma of M dash BA. What is that? Sigma of M dash AB. That means sum of near end contributions, sum of near end contributions equal to minus half of sigma of fixed moments at the joint plus sigma of far end contributions. So this is the equation. So here sigma is there, sigma M dash AB. See, what is that M dash AB? Rotation contribution at near end. So at a given joint, sometimes 2 members may be joining, sometimes 3 members may be joined at a given joint. Okay. So the sigma summation, how to separate those near end contributions means the near end contributions will be in the ratio of their stiffnesses. That means here suppose sigma M dash AB means here sigma M dash AB means equal to M dash AB plus M dash AC for joint. See, if you consider joint A, for joint A, near end contributions are AB as well as AC. Okay. So how to calculate this? This separate. M dash AB summation. M dash AB is to M dash AC must be in the ratio of their rotation stiffnesses. That is KAB is to KAC. The ratio will be the near end contributions, rotation contributions will be in the ratio of their rotation stiffnesses only. Okay. That means if you know the ratio, then M dash AB can be determined like this in the ratio. That means KAB divided by KAB plus KAC into sigma of M dash AB. So in the ratio of the KAB KAC, you can split the near end contributions M dash AB or M dash AC. Okay. Now you can substitute that KAB by KAB plus KAC. What is sigma M dash AB? That is minus half of sigma MFAB plus sigma M dash BA. Okay. Now you can write like this: minus half into KAB by KAB plus KAC into sigma of MFAB plus sigma of M dash BA. You know, this is nothing but minus half into KAB by KAB plus KAC is distribution factor. You know that distribution factor into sigma MFAB plus sigma M dash BA. Now half into distribution minus half into distribution factor is called rotation factor. Rotation factor multiplied by sigma MFAB plus sigma M dash BA. Okay, that means here rotation factor is nothing but minus half of distribution factor. And next thing, M dash AB. So that means near end contribution, near end rotation contribution equal to rotation factor multiplied by sum of sigma of MFAB means sum of fixed moments at the joint plus sum of foreign rotation moments. Foreign rotation moments. So this is the equation, okay? M dash AB is equal to rotation factor multiplied by sum of fixed moments at the joint plus sum of foreign rotation moments. Okay, after finding M dash AB and all, then finally substitute M dash AB plus M dash BA values in MAB equation. Okay. M dash AB comma, put comma here. M dash AB and M dash BA values in MAB equation. You know what is MAB equation? So this is the MAB equation. Okay, equation number 1. So MAB is what? Or this one? This one. MA is what? MAB is what? MFAB, that is fixed moment. We know that 2 times of M dash AB plus M dash BA. So if you know this M dash AB and M dash BA values, just by substituting in this equation, equation number 1, you will get MAB. This is the logic behind Conni's method. Okay. Let us take a problem. Okay, we'll take a problem. Hinge support here. Another hinge, a roller. $20 kilonewtons. $9 kilonewton per meter. $30 kilonewton. 1 meter, 3 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter. Okay. A, B, C, D. First, fixed moments. What is MFAB? minus 20 into 4 by 8, that equal to minus 10. MFBA equal to plus 10. MFBC minus 9 into 4 square by 12, that equal to 16 by 12, 4 by 3. So that is MCB equal to plus 12. MFCB. MFCD equal to minus 30 into 1 into 3 square by L square, 4 square, 9 by 16, that is minus 16.875. MFDC equal to 30 into 1 square into 3 by 4 square, which is equal to 5.625.
625.
Okay, these are the fixed moments. Next, after finding fixed moments, find distribution. Distribution factors and rotation factors also. That means joining members or span K, sigma K, distribution factor and rotation factor. So if you take a joint B, BA member, BC members, 2 members are there. Stiffnesses, BA stiffness 3A by 4, BC 4A by 4. Summation 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4 is 3 by 4 plus 4 by 4 is 7 by 4. Distribution factor is 3 by 7, right? And 4 by 7. Rotation factor, just multiply with minus half to get this one. That means minus 3 by 14, minus 2 by 7. We need to multiply with the minus half to get rotation factor. Similarly, at joint C, members are CB and CD, 2 members are there. So here 4A by 4, 3A by 3. Okay. Now 4A by 4, 3A by 4 only. That span also 4 only. 3A by 4. So total is 7A by 4. So distribution factors are 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. So rotation factors are multiplying with minus half, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 14. So first find fixed moments, then find see, like the moment distribution method, find distribution factors, and just by multiplying minus half you will get rotation factors. Then how to form the table and how to perform the calculations we will see. Here we have 3 spans. First span, second span, third span. Okay, 3 spans. For this, form table like this. Like this. Like this. So next, write fixed moments here. Minus 10 plus 10, minus 12 plus 12, minus 16.875, 5.625. That means this is A, B, C, D joints. Okay. Now we have hinged or roller supports at ends. That means we need to release that. That means by applying opposite move couple, that means plus 10, and of course carry over like moment distribution, 5 will go here, and here also opposite minus 5.625 we need to apply at joint D. 50% of that minus 2.8125 will come as a carryover. So now if you do summation here, net moments are 0, 15, 12, minus 12, 12, and here minus 19.6875. Here 0. So these are the fixed moments. After releasing that hinges, these are the fixed moments. Now in our formulation, if you observe here in our formulation, sum of fixed moments at the joint. This one is there. Sum of fixed moments at the joint. Okay. So that sum we put in this central box. So 15. See, BA fixed moment is 15 here. BC is 12 minus 12 here. Net is how much? 3 here. Net value 3 here. How we got this 3? 15 minus 12. This 15 and this 12 minus 12. Net is equal to 3 here. Similarly, here this 12 minus 19.6875 equal to net is minus 7 point, and I am directly putting here that value minus 7.6875. Okay. Okay, that is the summation of sigma MFAB, okay, or summation of fixed moments. Okay, here also simply I will put 3. Summation. So next, rotation contributions. BA rotation contribution is minus 3 by 14. BC rotation contribution is minus 2 by 7. CB rotation contribution is minus 2 by 7. CD rotation contribution is minus 3 by 14. These are the rotation contribution. Sorry, not contribution. Rotation factors. Sorry, those are rotation factors. BA rotation factor is minus 3 by 14. You can see that here. Here. Minus 3 by 14, minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 3 by 14. Make a line here. Like this. Next, now, if you see the formulation here, M dash AB equal to rotation factor multiplied by sum of fixed moments at the joint plus sum of foreign rotation moments. Okay, that we will see how to calculate here. First, BA. For BA span, if you see, initially there is no foreign contribution. That's why simply 3 multiplied by minus 3 by 14. How much? Minus 3 by 14 multiplied by 3.
9 by 14 minus 10.
How much that value in decimal form?
0.643.
0.643. Similarly, for BC span, minus 2 by 7 into 3, because there is no foreign contribution initially. That's why. Just minus 2 by 7 into 3.
0.857.
Minus
0.857.
Next, come to joint C. If you come to joint C, minus 2 by 7 into, see, sum of the fixed end moments at the joint is minus 7.6875. Foreign contribution is minus 0.857. For CB we are doing now. At C joint, CB rotation contribution we are calculating. For that, minus 2 by 7 into minus 2 by 7 into sum of the fixed moments minus 7.6875, and for CB foreign is minus 0.857, minus 0.857. How much it is?
Plus 2.44.
2.44. 441. Okay. 2.441. Similarly, for CD span, how much? Minus 3 by 14 into sum of the fixed moments minus 7.6875. 6875. Foreign D, so nothing is there, plus 0. So which is equal to?
Plus 1.647.
1.647. 1 second. Foreign, some of the foreigns actually, that is not only one foreign, some of the foreigns. One, of course, this foreign D is D also foreign, B also foreign. B foreign, we know that is minus 0.857. For joint C, we have two foreigns, D also foreign, B also foreign. So 0 is D foreign's contribution, minus 0.857 is B foreign contribution, which is equal to
1.831.
1.831. Okay, that is 1.831. So one cycle over. Okay. After completion of one cycle, we'll go to next cycle. Second cycle. Okay. Come to second cycle. Now, at joint B, okay. If you want, I can write this one also. If you want, 3 into, cycle 1 minus 3 by 14 multiplied by 3 equal to minus 0.643. Okay. So yeah, anyway, you understood that. So second cycle we will see. Second cycle at joint B, minus 3 by 14 into fixed moment sum is 3. Foreign contributions from A support nothing is there, 0. From B support we are getting some contribution, that is 2.441, which is equal to
minus 1.166.
minus 1.166. Okay, minus 1.166. See, always we need to see some of the fixed moments, that this one red color thing, and always foreign contributions also we need to consider. Okay. Similarly, minus 2 by 7 into fixed moment sum 3 plus from A end nothing is there 0, from B end from C end see for B joint A also for end, C also for end. Okay, from C joint we have rotation contribution, that is 2.441, which is equal to
minus 1,555.
minus 1.555 554. Okay,
555.
555 554. Okay.
5545, sir.
Okay, minus 1.554. Similarly, now tell me at joint C. Joint C minus 2/7 for CB we are calculating multiplied by minus 7.6875. Okay, that is sum of the fixed moments plus near end contribution from D support nothing is there 0, from B support minus 1.554. So latest value you need to take, okay, which is equal to
2.640.
2.640. Similarly, this one for CD span, rotation factor is minus 3/14. Fixed moment sum 7.6875. Near end, I mean from support D 0, from support B minus 1.554, which is equal to
1.980.
1.980. Okay, so 1.980. So we need to repeat the process. Okay, next cycle, third cycle, tell me. Minus 3/14 into 3 plus, okay, 0 plus 2.640.
Minus 1.208.
209. Okay. Similarly, minus 2/7 rotation contribution, rotation factor minus 2/7 into bracket open 3 plus from A end 0, from B end 2.640.
Minus 1.611.
611. Next, if we come to support C, rotation factor is minus 2/7 into bracket open fixed moment sum minus 7.6875 plus from D support 0 contribution, but from B support minus 1.611. So finally we'll get
2.657.
2.657. Similarly, minus 3/14 into bracket open minus 7.6875 plus 0 plus minus 1.611.
1.993.
992. Okay. Next cycle, similarly, minus 1.212 minus 1.616, here 2.658, 1.993. Similarly, next cycle, minus 1.212 minus 1.616, 2.658, 1.993. See, stabilized. The values are stabilized completely. So after stabilizing those values, now we can find final moments. Okay, final moments. Here anyway, this one is 0, but here MBA you can calculate like this. Okay, MAB, you know 0, MBA equal to formula MFBA plus 2 times of near end contribution plus, sorry, MFBA, M dash BA, only this one also, B to A, M dash BA plus M dash AB. See, which is equal to MFBA, fixed moment here, finalized fixed moment 15 plus 2 times of near end moment of BA, that is rotation moment, minus 1.212 plus AB 0. So which is equal to how much?
$12.576.
12.57.
576. $12.576. For this breakup 15 plus 2 times of minus 1.212. Okay, plus 0. Okay, anyway. Similarly here for this minus 12 plus 2 times of minus 1.616 and foreign contribution plus 2.658, which is equal to how much? Sorry, this one for 2 times this only.
4.574.
2 times of that one. No bracket here. Okay. 2 times of 1.616 minus is there, right? Minus plus 2.658.
574.
Okay. Similarly, here at C joint, CB value will get like this: 12 plus 2 times of near end rotation moment 2.658 plus far end moment minus 1.616.
15.7.
616. 15.7. Similarly, here minus 19.6875 plus near end moment 2 times of near end moment 1.993 plus far end D 0, that is minus 15.7.
15.0. 15.70.
Okay, so these are the final moments. Okay, these are the moments. So finally, after performing all these calculations, finally we need to find final moments like this: fixed moment to plus 2 times of near end moment plus far end moment. Okay. If you have a fixed end here and hinged roller 20 kilonewtons, 9 kilonewton per meter. Six meters here. So now ABC. Okay. MFAB how much? 20 into 4 by 8 minus 10. MFBA plus 10. MFBC how much? 9 into minus 9 into 6 square by 12, that is minus 27. MFCB 27. Okay. Now what is KBA is to KBC equal to 4EA by 4 is to how much? 3EA by 6, right? So what is the ratio then? Ratio is directly you can put ratio 2 2s, 2 3s. So 2 2s. So 9 is to 3. Sorry, 6 is to 3 3 cancel here. 2 is to 1, right? The ratio is 2 is to 1. So distribution factors DAB DBA equal to 2 by 3, DBC equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, rotation factors RBA equal to minus half means minus 1 by 3. Rotation factor of BC equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay. See the ratio. Based on ratio, you can find the distribution factors and the rotation factors simply. Okay. Next broad table. 2 members only we have. So this one and this one. A, B, C. Fixed moments minus 10 plus 10 minus 27 plus 27. We need to release here minus 27 minus 13.5. Final moments are minus 10 plus 10 minus 40.5 0. Now sum of fixed moment 10 minus this one minus 30.5. 10 and minus 40.5 sum is minus 30.5. Then rotation contributions, rotation factors minus 1 by 3. Here minus 1 by 6. Okay. Okay. Now for BA span minus 1 by 3 into bracket open minus 30.5. See near end, I mean plus forend, summation of forend. 2 forends are there, A and C. Right now, no forend contributions, right? So minus 1 by 3 into minus 30.5. How much?
10.167.
Similarly, minus 1 by 6 into minus 30.5. Starting, you cannot expect any forend contributions.
5.08.
5.083. So nothing to do now. That's final. Okay. So finally, final moments are okay. See at A you can calculate. So at A fixed moment is minus 10. That means MAB equal to MFAB plus 2 times of M dash AB plus M dash BA. That means MFAB minus 10 plus 2 times of no rotation contribution from near end plus far end 10.167. How much?
$0.167.
Minus 0.
That's sir.
Plus, okay. 0.167. Similarly, MBA equal to MFBA plus 2 times of M dash BA plus M dash AB. Okay, that equal to 10 plus 2 times of 10.167 M dash AB 0, which is equal to
30.334.
30.33. Similarly, MBC equal to MFBC plus 2 times of M dash BC plus M dash CB. MFBC minus 40.5 plus 2 times of near end moment, that is 5.083 plus far end 0, that equal to minus 30.33. These are the final moments. Okay. We'll see one more problem. Fixed roller overhang, 20 kilonewton, 12 kilonewton per meter, 40 kilonewtons, 2 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter and 2 meter. A, B, C, D. Okay, so 3 spans, including that overhang, 3 spans. Now, what is MFAB? Minus 10. MFBA plus 10. MFBC 3 square by 12, minus 9. MFCB plus 9. MFCD, if you want to fix it, you need 40 into minus 80. Okay, opposite clockwise couple is there, 40 into 2. To fix that, anti-clockwise minus 80 is required. Okay, now KBA is to KBC, how much? 4A by 4 is to 4A by 3. Okay, that is
3I by 3, sir.
3 is to 4, right? 4 cancel, 3 is to 4. So distribution factors, DBA equal to 3 by 4, DBC equal to plus 3 by 7. 3 by 7 and DBC equal to 4 by 7. Rotation factors.
Sir, KBC 3 by 3. KBC.
Just we are fixing here also. Far end మనము ఫిక్స్ చేసాం, అందుకే మనం ఇక్కడ ఇది కూడా తీసుకున్నాం చూడండి. ఇది జస్ట్ we are fixing at C also. C కూడా ఫిక్స్ చేసి MFCD కూడా చేసాం, MFCB as well as CD. So we fixed at C joint also. Okay, we fixed here at C joint also. We are not allowing freely there. Okay, so that equal to minus 3 by 14. RBC equal to minus 2 by 7. Okay, now what else we want? So we can start. Span 1, span 2, span 3. See, we are operating at C also. Just we are initially we are fixing at C also, right? That's why we are considering here fixed moment. I mean, KBC we have taken 4A by 3 because we fixed at C also. That we need to remember. Okay, here minus 10 plus 10 minus 9 plus 9 minus 80. Okay. Now, okay, this one also. Okay. So no need to release anything. Okay, just start like this. Right here, 10 minus 9 is how much? 1. Here, sum of the fixed moments 1.01. Okay. Here, 9 minus 80 minus 71. Okay. Next, rotation factors. BA 3 by 7. Sorry, 3 by minus 3 by 14. And minus 2 by 7. This one. Here, if you want to write here, KCB equal to 4A by 3 and KCD equal to 0. That means distribution factor of CB equal to 1 or rotation factor of CB equal to minus half. That is 0. Distribution factor of CD is 0. Rotation factor of CD also will be 0. So now we mark here minus half 0. Okay. Now perform the calculations. How much here? Minus 3 by 14 into 1. Minus 3 by 14 into 1.
Minus 0.214.
0.214.
Minus 0.214. And here, minus 2 by 7 into 1.
0.286.
Coming to this joint, C joint, minus half into bracket open, minus 71, minus 2 point, minus 0.286. How much?
35.643 plus 35.64.
643. Here 0 into anything is 0. Okay. No. Next. Second cycle. Minus 3 by 14 into bracket open 1 plus 35.643.
Minus 7.852.
Minus 7.852. Similarly, minus 2 by 7 into bracket open 1 plus 35.643.
Minus 10.469.
Next here coming to this joint C, మీరు ఒకటి అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ సి జాయింట్ దగ్గర కూడా మనం రొటేట్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఎందుకంటే ఫిక్స్ చేసాం ఇనిషియల్ గా, మనం దాన్ని ఫ్రీగా వదిలేయట్లేదు, ఫిక్స్ చేసాం సి దగ్గర కూడా. అందువల్ల మనకు 4 వచ్చింది, అక్కడ 4A by L వచ్చింది. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ minus 1 by 2 into bracket open minus 71 minus 10.469
plus 40.735.
Okay, 0 here. Okay, next. Here then minus 3 by 14 into bracket open 1 plus 40.735.
Minus 8.943.
Okay, minus 2 by 7 into bracket open 1 plus 40.735.
minus 11.924.
Next here, minus 1 by 2 into bracket open minus 71 minus 11.924.
41.462.
0. Next, similarly, continue this process. Minus 9.099 minus 12.132 41.566 0. Then next cycle minus 9.121 minus 12.162 41.581 0. Next cycle minus 9.125 minus 12.166 41.583 0. Almost stabilized. Okay, we can stop there. And find final end moments. Final moments. Here, tell me minus 10 MAB minus 10 plus near end contribution nothing. 2 times of near end contribution nothing for AB for at A. For end contribution is minus 9.125. So minus 10 plus 2 into 0 plus minus 9.125. That is minus 19.125. Similarly, for BA, 10 plus 2 times of minus 9.125 plus 0. Foreign is A, foreign 0.
Minus 8.25.
Minus 8.25. Here, fixed moment is minus 9 plus 2 times of near end moment. That is 2 times of minus 12.166 plus foreign moment 41.583.
8.25.
Similarly, for CB, fixed moment is 9. Fixed moment is 9 plus 2 times of near end moment 41.583. 2 times of 41.583 plus foreign moment is minus 12.166.
80 plus 80.
Plus 80. Here, fixed moment is minus 80. Near end contribution is nothing. Foreign contribution also nothing. So minus 80. So these are the final moments. Okay. A, B, and C. Okay. So same problem we will do in other method, other way. Now, don't fix the joint D. If you don't fix the joint D, then what happens? KBA equal to 4A by 4 and KBC will be 3A by 3 because we have not fixed at D. So this is the case now. Now KBA is to KBC equal to 1:1. Then distribution factor of BA equal to 1 by 2. Distribution factor of BC equal to 1 by 2. Rotation factor of BA equal to minus 1 by 4. Rotation factor of BC will be minus 1 by 4. Right? Now we see that this one table. only AB BC span. Okay. We know fixed moments. How much? Minus 10 plus 10 minus 9 plus 9. Here this means A, B, C. Here C 40 into 2, how much? At C moment 40 into 2, 80 moment will be there at C joint, right? So by releasing here, we need to have 80. I mean 80 moment means how much we need to add here? 71 we need to add. Understood now? If there is no overhang, what we will do? We will put minus 9, right? If there is no overhang, just we would put minus 9. But overhang is there, 40 into 2, 80 moment is there. To make it 80, we need to add 71. So that you will get 80 here. So carry over is how much? 35.5. So total here is 26.5. Here minus 10 plus 10 as usual. So understood now? This one? Just we have not fixed the joint at sorry, not fixed at C actually, not at D, it's at C. Don't fix the joint at C. Okay. Don't fix the joint at C so that it will be freely, it can rotate, so that at C whatever moment is there, that A 40 into 2 moment, to make it moment 80, just we are adding 71. So 71 carryover is 36.5. Now at joint B, see this is joint A, this is joint B, this is joint C. Okay. So now what is the total? 10, 26.5. Total how much? 36.5. Rotation factors minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. Now tell me here, minus 1 by 4 into 36.5. How much?
$9.125.
Minus 9.125. Right side minus 1 by 4 into 36.5. Minus 9.125. That's all. With this we can find final moments. Okay. Check it here. At A, minus 10 plus 2 times of 0 plus 1 time of minus 9.125. How much? Minus 19.125. Then here 10 plus 2 times of minus 9.125 plus 0. How much? Minus 8.25. Here 26.5 fixed moment plus 2 times of minus 9.125. How much?
8.25.
8.25. Here anyway 80 fixed moment only here. Okay, 80 is there. So like this we can perform the calculations. So if you don't fix the joint at C, then stiffness will be 3A by L. If you fix the joint at C, then it will be stiffness 4A by L, and we need to perform calculations like this. Okay. Suppose if you have support couple, what to do? Kilonewtons, 40 kilonewtons, 2 meter. meter, 18 kilonewton per meter, 2 meter, 2 meter. Here, support couple of 30 kilonewton meter. Okay. Now, how to solve this? A, B, C, D. So, if this is the case, then we will do like this, small modification, okay? You know, fixed moments, everything we know for this, right? Table, this one, okay. Okay, you know, treat C joint as a hinge only. So KBA is to KBC equal to 4A by 4 is to 3A by 3. That means that equal to 1 is to 1. So rotation factors you can calculate, or distribution factors. DBA equal to 1 by 2, DBC equal to 1 by 2, and RBA equal to minus 1 by 4, RBC equal to minus 1 by 4. Here 30 couple is there, means just assume there is a leg like this. Assume there is a leg like this and apply a couple 30 on the leg. For that, fixed moment will be anti-clockwise 30. That means while putting fixed moments here, what is AB fixed moment? MF AB minus 10. MF BA plus 10. Minus 10 plus 10. MF BC how much? BC
9 minus 9.
9. CB
13.5 సార్ 18 ఇచ్చారు.
ఏమా 12 తీసుకో.
18 కిలోన్యూటన్ ఇచ్చారు సార్.
12. Okay, as usual, as previous problem. So minus 1 plus 9. Now apart from these moments, the whatever fixed, see 30 we are applying on a leg. One leg we assumed here, and 30 we are putting clockwise there. For that anti-clockwise moment 30 will develop, so fixed moment will be minus 30 here. Fixed moment is minus 30. I will round all fixed moments with some color. Okay, so this is fixed moment, this is fixed moment, this is fixed moment, this is fixed moment, and this also fixed moment. For 30 couple, just have a leg and apply a 30 on that. So for that, fixed moment will be opposite 30, that is minus 30. So now sum of fixed moments 10 minus 9. I mean, before that we need to adjust here at C. At C joint 40 into 80 we need to get, right? 80 how to get? By adding 71. Add 71 here, so that you will get 80. For 71 we need to adjust here, carry over 35.5. Now how much you get here? 26.5. So, and here minus 10 plus 10. So now we need to add this one, and this one. These three things. Okay. So summation, sum of fixed moments. How much? 10, 26.5.
6.5. 6.5.
6.5. Okay. Now these factors are minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now minus 1 by 4 into 6.5, how much?
Minus 1.625.
Minus 1 by 4 into 6.5, same again, minus 1.625. So final moments, MAB equal to fixed moment minus 10 plus 2 times of near end contributions 0 plus far end minus 1.625 equal to
11.625.
minus 11.625. Similarly, MBA equal to near end moment is 10 plus 2 times of, fixed moment is 10, 2 times of near end contribution minus 1.625 equal to
6.75.
6.75.
6.75. Then MBC equal to fixed moment is 26.5 plus 2 times of near end contribution minus 1.625 plus far end contribution 0, which is equal to
23.25.
23.25. And here 80. Now you check generally adjoint B in previous problem, sum of the moments at B minus 8.25 plus 8.25 0, because there is no external moment at B. But in present case, you can observe 6.75 plus 23.75, how much? Net
30, sir.
30. That 30 is the external couple. Okay. So it should match with the external couple. The moments at some of the moments at B should match with the external couple. If there is no external couple, that would be the sum would be 0. So like this, first we need to release the reaction here 13.5. For releasing that reaction, we need to apply anti-clockwise 10.125, anti-clockwise 10.125. So finally minus 13.5 minus 6.75 you will get. So summation of moment at B minus 13.5. Rotation factors are minus 3 by 8 and minus 1 by 8. So by applying this one, minus 3 by 8 into minus 13.5, 5.0625, and minus 1 by 8 into minus 13.5 is 1.6875. Finally, we can calculate MAB, MBA, MBC. MCD already we know, minus 6.75, adjusted one. So these are the final moments. So now treat this as a special case. Guided roller. For guided roller, fixed moment minus 2 times of far end couple, far end rotation moment. Okay. So minus 6.75 minus 2 times of 1.6875 minus 10.125. So minus 10.125 minus 10.125, total 20.25. 20.25 by 1.5.
13.5.
13.5. Exactly. The reaction becomes 0 there. So treat this as a special case. For guided roller, do the final movement like this. Fixed moment minus 2 times of far end contribution. Okay. See here. See this one. Ten kilonewtons. 2 meter. This is guided roller. Okay. 6 meter. 8 kilonewton per meter. Assume here some point load also is there. How to handle this one, we'll see. We have some point load also at a guided roller. Okay. Now here, this is the table. Okay. Now tell me first fixed moments here for this. -5.
ఈ 18 ఏంటి
-5 plus 5.
మూడు వేల మంచి పని చేసిన
Okay. Then here fixed moments are 8 into 6 square by 12, that is -24 plus 24. Okay. Now how to adjust this one, guided roller? Okay. Before that, find this one more stiffness ratios and all. KBA, KBC. KBA is to KBC equal to 4A by 4 is to EA by 6. That is this. That is nothing but 6 is to 1, right? So distribution factor of BA equal to 6 by 7. Distribution factor of BC equal to 1 by 7. Okay. Then rotation factors are -3 by 7, -1 by 14. So mark it here. -3 by 7, -1 by 14. Now we need to adjust that one, right? Okay. That one, guided roller thing. Okay. Here we have a point load like this, 8 kilonewton per meter. Here anti-clockwise 24 and clockwise 24 is there. Now the span is 6 meters. So reactions are now 48 means 24, 24. And one more 7 kilonewtons is there here. Load on the load at C. Okay. For that also you'll get reaction here plus 7. Okay. 24 plus 7 is the reaction here. That is 31. So now we need to release 31. 31, 31. 6 meters. So 31 into 6, how much? 31 into 6 by 2.
186.
By 2. 93, 90.
93.
So 93, 93 we need to apply here. That means here balancing, here balancing moments are -93, -93. And now net torque -5, 5. Here how much? -117. This one -69. Now net, the central, this one is -117 plus 5, -112. -112. Okay, now -3 by 7 into 112, -112. How much? 48. 48. 48. -1 by 14 into 112.
8.
8. We will see final moments. Here MAB, fixed moment -5 plus 2 times of near end rotation contribution 0 plus far end 48, which is equal to
43.
40. MBA equal to 5 plus 2 times of 48 plus 0 equal to
101.
101.
1.
So MBC equal to 8, sorry, -117 plus 2 times of 8 plus 0 equal to
minus 1 or 2.
minus 101. MCB. Treat this as a special case and apply corresponding formula. Minus 69 plus, I mean minus 2 times of foreign. This is a special case, okay? Equal to minus
85.
minus 85.
85.
Now we can check it. Minus 101 minus 85. Total how much?
Minus 186.
By 6.
Minus 31.
31. That is the reaction here. 31 is the reaction here, right? So finally we need to have 0 reaction there, okay? So for 31 reaction, opposite 31 is creating there, so net will become 0. That's why this formula works like this. So if it is a guided roller, then finding moment is here like this. Fixed moment minus 2 times of foreign moment. As a special case, you remember this guided roller case, okay? As a special case, you remember this one, okay? Last problem. See the last problem. I here. Three I here, 2 I here, okay? Now first find KBC is to KBA is to KBC. KBA is to KBC equal to 4 EA by 6 is to 4 3 EA by 4. So here the ratio is now 4 gets cancelled. 4 is to 18 or 2 is to 9. 2 is to 9. So distribution factor of DBA equal to 2 by 11. Distribution factor of BC equal to 9 by 11. Rotation factor of BA equal to minus 1 by 11. Rotation factor of BC equal to minus 9 by 22. Similarly, KCB is to KCD equal to 4 EI means 3 EI by 4 is to 4 2 EI by 5. So 4 gets cancelled. 15:8. So distribution factor of CB equal to 15 by 23. Distribution factor of CD equal to 8 by 23. Rotation factor of CB equal to minus 15 by 46. Rotation factor of CD equal to minus 4 by 23. Okay. So now we'll start. This one span 2 and span 3. So fixed moments minus 36 plus 36, here minus 15 plus 15 minus 37.5 plus 37.5. No need to release because all end reactions are, end supports are fixed only. So now we can start directly. Here the sum of fixed moments 21 here. Here minus 22.5. Mark this rotation factors minus 1 by 11. This side minus 9 by 22. Here 8 by 23. Sorry, 8. Sorry. That is minus 15 by 46. Minus 4 by 23. Now we can perform calculations. How much here? Minus 1 by 11 into 21. How much? Quickly.
1.91.
Minus 1.909. This side minus 8.59. Coming here minus 15 by 46 into minus 22.5 plus minus 8.59. How much here? Minus 15 by 46 into bracket open minus 22.5 minus 8.5. Emma?
10.13.
This side 5 point.
5.4069.
407. Similarly, now minus 2.831 minus 12.738 11.491 6.128. Second cycle. Third cycle minus 2.954 minus 13.292 11.671 6.225. Fourth cycle minus 2.970 minus 13.365 11.695 6.237. Fifth cycle minus 2.972 minus 13.375 11.698 6.239. Last cycle minus 2.972 minus 13.376 11.699 6.239. These are the final, this one, and movements we need to calculate. Now minus 36 plus 2 times of 0 plus minus 2 times of 972, that is minus 38.972. So these values we need to use as far and this one, these values, this one, far and near end calculations, these final values we need to use, rotation moments. Then 36 plus 2 times of minus 2.972 plus 0. How much?
30.056.
Similarly, minus 15 plus 2 times of minus 13.376 plus 11.699 minus 30.053. Here 15 plus 2 times of 11.699 minus 13.376 25.022. Here minus 37.5 plus 2 times of 6 into 2 6.239 2 into 6.239 minus 25.022. Then here 37.5 plus 2 into 0 plus 6.239 43.739. These are the final moments. Okay. Note down the assignment. Okay, do these 10 problems. ఇవన్నీ నోట్ చేస్తున్నారా ఈ పక్కవి?
ప్రీవియస్ స్లైడ్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి సార్.
ఇదే కదా?
అయితే సార్
ఒక నోట్ చేసుకోండి.
అయిపోయింది సార్.
ఓకే, ఇది అయిపోయిందా? ఇంకా ఈరోజు ఏం క్లాస్ లేదు, కంప్లీట్ చేయండి ఇవన్నీ.